My name is Andrew Golden. I'm one of the founders of Gaia Nomaya, 7,000 square foot music, wellness, and arts space. We're dedicated to using music as medicine, art as therapy, and creating a social wellness environment where you can have a good time, listen to music, but also have a lot of healthy options to take care of yourself. The music that we choose is always something that's uplifting for the soul, whether it's world music, sound meditation music, disco, deep house music. As long as it has happy, uplifting vibes, it's possible here at Gaia Nomaya. The Genelec sound is one of the best quality sounds that we've heard, and also it's a very unique speaker, and we wanted to create a special 360 spatial audio immersive experience with the Genelecs. It was the only speakers that were able to create the experience we were looking for, combining different 360 audio sounds with live instruments, and as well as immersive projections. We have a very special room called the Wellness Room. We transport people with the Genelecs, and we're able to work with a lot of different artists and musicians. One of the things that makes our space special is 90% of the space is made with repurposed and reusable materials. Our bar and throughout our space, we have Coney Island boardwalk wood from the 1920s that was repurposed. If you look around, it looks like we have giant crystals all over the space, but they're actually glass rocks that were recycled from the ocean, called eco rocks. I learned recently that all of the Genelec speakers are made from recycled aluminum, which is very beneficial for the environment, and it's good to know that there's big companies out there that are actually thinking about the way they're constructing their products to actually help the planet. Once we found out about that, it made so much sense that we connected with the company, because their mission really aligns with ours, and sustainable can be beautiful.